Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm excited tonight to be working on my collaboration piece with my friends Anna from Anna Blunt Art and Claire from Rainbow Acrylics. We started doing, several months ago, we started doing some random collaborations together. We have very similar channels where we all do lots of different kinds of techniques and all very inventive artists too. So we decided to do, every time we collaborate, one person picks the technique, one person chooses a theme, and one person chooses the color palette. So it's kind of like the three harmonies. So Claire from Rainbow Acrylics, it was her turn to pick the colors, so of course she chose rainbow colors. And Anna Blunt, she chose the theme of butterflies, and I chose the technique of Dutch pours. Or blowout. So everybody has to use a hairdryer in the pour to create a butterfly on their canvas. So in rainbow colors. So I'm excited to get started on this. This is a 24 by 24 inch canvas. It was previously used. It was a flick and spin that I did. And there were a couple of things that I didn't really like about it. The composition was okay as far as the coverage, but there was way too much gold in the flick and spin, the flick part. It really took over and didn't harmonize with the rest of the piece. I didn't like this curve here. Some of the cells came out really funky, so I let that cure and then I can go ahead and paint on it again. I have pre-painted my sides and edges, even though my black base coat color is opaque. These are very thin consistency paints, so I wanted to make sure that I didn't have to go back and touch up these sides if I didn't get full coverage on my blowout. So that's what I'm doing with that. So let me show you my colors. I've already shown you my black, my base coat is Chrome Acryl Acrylic Essentials in black. And then I have some Amsterdam titanium white to add some highlights to it. And then for my rainbow, I have Amsterdam Primary Yellow, Amsterdam Vermilion, Amsterdam Carmine. I have Liquitex Basics Deep Violet. This is Amsterdam Cyan Blue that I've lightened up with some, I saw a lump. Oh, I'm glad I did that. There we go, got it. I've lightened it up with some titanium white because blues always dry darker than they appear when they're wet. So I wanted a lighter tone to start with so that it would darken and still show up over top of this black base coat. And then for my green, I have Liquitex Basics Aqua Green. I think these are fun colors, bright and vibrant. So I think this is going to fit the bill. I hope it makes Claire very happy with the rainbow palette. So I'm going to, when I do this kind of Dutch pour, the key to success here is to leave as little paint, base coat paint on the canvas as possible. So I'm going to blow out this black base coat and I'm really going to make sure there's no excess paint here at all. Its only purpose is giving me a wet surface so that when I layer these colors and blow them out, it doesn't move in unexpected ways. I get more control by having less base coat. I'm going to blow out, what I'm going to do on the wings is the upper parts of the wings are going to be red, orange, and yellow, so warm colors. And then I'm going to put my cool colors as the larger bottom half of the wings. So it'll be reds and warm colors up top and cool colors below. And that should control and make sure that I don't get any mud. Thin consistency paints can muddy up, and these two colors are very dangerous together. So I'm going to keep them separate and not risk it. And I'm excited to get started. Oh, and somebody's asked me in a couple of videos about my hair dryer. This is an Infinity Pro Conair hair dryer that I got at Walmart probably 4 or 5 years ago. You can see it's well loved. The important thing for the hair dryers, it is a dual speed and dual temperature, so I use it on low and on cool setting. The most important thing that I have found on hair dryers, because I've used several different kinds, is the diffuser. I like a really wide diffuser that's fairly narrow. If it's too thick, it doesn't force the air out enough, but I want a wide surface to work with too. I don't want a really narrow one because you get a completely different kind of blowout. So just a little bit of information for you. So I'm gonna put on some music while I play.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. To rise above these crowds, stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Although you're earthbound. You're earthbound. Nobody needs to know. Surrender to the grief. Nobody needs to know. Let go. We stir it up, create rings. We make something out of nothing. If you believe, hold on tight. Screaming to the night. Make it all glow. dress up inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your right. Trauma in every cell. No wonder why we dwell. Medicine don't stand a chance as we dance. Lay down, bend on giving. I'll take your skin. Naked among them sins. Let go of what has been. Make it all glow. Dress up inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your right. Now let it all show. Pave the way for the ones behind. We'll be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out. Oh, be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out and make it all glow. Dress up inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your right. Now let it all show. Pave the way for the ones behind. Be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out. I said, be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out.
Well, look at how fun that is. Isn't it cute? I really like it. That the blowout went really well. There was very little paint, so I was really able to control exactly where my blow was going. The two top ones are really very close in size and shape, and then the two on the bottom are very close in size and shape, and color distribution is basically the same, but there's some little bit of difference. I got a couple of cells popping up here from the Artist Loft Black. I'm fine with that because all butterflies have some black in them, usually in little circles. I was really tempted to use my finger in the wet paint and just define the outside edges. But instead, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until this is fully dry, and then I'm going to use my white Posca pen because I also want to draw in a body on it. So if I'm going to do that anyway, I might as well wait until it's dry and just use the pen for the whole process. But overall, I'm really happy with this. I've got my rainbow colors. It looks like a butterfly, a little abstract, but I'm really happy with it. I hope you like it too. Unfortunately, I won't have dry results for this video. Tomorrow morning, my husband and I are headed to Canada for 3 weeks, and I'll be painting up there. I'm really excited about that, but I wanted to get this challenge done before I left. So yeah, when I get back, I will finish this piece off with some embellishing. And if you follow me on YouTube, if you follow me on Instagram, you will see the dry results of this piece. And thank you very much for watching. Thanks Claire and Anna for joining me for another collaboration. I hope we do it again. And everybody go mix up some paints and be fearless.